Okay, hello. Today is the 1st of September 2017. It's quarter to 2 local time. This is the euro dollar on a forward chart. So we can see the following. After this uptrend, we had a pullback down, a correction, and now it's in the middle of the H4 channel. We have a stop accumulation of dumb money shorties around around here, just below the high, and we also have shorties in the market. Overall, the dumb money is on the short side. So it would be possible, depending on the news today at 2:30, for euro dollar to either do a fish move up or to break even up to the upside if the US news are worse than expected. Otherwise, the euro dollar has enough dumb money tolerance to go down if the news are much better than expected, for example. This is the pound dollar on the forward chart. We can see that the bias is definitely bearish. We have a lot of dumb money long traders, long-term traders as well as short-term traders. Overall, dumb money is long. So it means that if, for example, the cable takes out the stops around this high, there's a good chance it will turn down again and head towards, the 128 level, for example. So that means that looking at euro pound on the forward chart, after it came up so much in the last weeks, it did this correction down of 100 pips this week, and now we still have shorties in the market. However, we have a so-called net loss reversal dynamic, which means that even though there are just a few longies in the market, they are too much into profit, so the money tries to pull them back into loss. We also have the stop accumulations here of the longies. So that means that if euro pound does a pullback, for example, pulled up by euro dollar or by the down movement cable, then it will most likely turn again down and go for this stop accumulation, for example, especially if longies enter the market. So if after a pullback up, longies come into the market and try to buy the euro pound, then there's a good chance it will actually go down and take out those stops here. So that's of course also news dependent. If we go to the 15-minute charts, I just show you a short-term perspective. So here we have euro dollar. Second. Yeah, on the 15-minute chart, so we can see that here's the stop accumulation. There's short-term stops on the way, and the move up would also take out those plateaus and go against those dumb money short positions, also the ones which entered yesterday, for example. So they're just taking out those stops here now. Cable, as stated, they have longest and shortest from today, but they want to take out plateau stops so they could go up a bit more into the dumb money long positions, but at some point then they will turn. Here we see also long-term stop accumulation, and euro pound went flat today and yesterday, but if it does a pullback, for example, against those shorties, then at some point it will turn if longies come into the market, dumb money longies. So let's see how the US news will be in 40 minutes.